Hello teacher. So ngayon, pag-aaralan naman natin at titingnan natin yung inilabas na DepEd order about regarding the inisyu nga ng Department of Education about the enclosed guidelines on the evaluation of self-learning modules of our SLMs. This is for quarter 3 and 4 for this school year of 2020 and 2021. So, ito nga ay para ma-ensure na yung quality ng ating SLM na ginagamit for this modular distance learning modality. So, itong policy na to, itong DepEd order na to, na number 001 Series 2021, ay nag-aim para ma-establish yung systematic evaluation process ng ating mga SLM for quarter 3 and 4 for this school year. So, ito nga ay makakatulong sa isa nga sa ginagamit natin ngayon at this time because of pandemic, yung module, yung self-learning modules na binibigay natin sa ating mga estudyante. So, of course, mahalaga na mapag-aralan natin, ma-check natin, 'di ba? Magkaroon ng guidelines sa paggawa nito. So, nakakatulong nga 'iyon sa ating mga learners at sa ating din mga teachers. So, ngayon, pag-aaralan natin sa video na ito, ano ba yung mga guidelines na nilabas na ating Department of Education para magkaroon kayo ng idea. So, pag pinagawa tayo, ay alam natin kung ano yung mga dapat nating mapakita doon sa ating SLM. So, muli kasama ninyo si Teacher Bean. So, bago natin muna simulan itong video na ito, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa akin channel, please click subscribe at click mo rin yung notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga latest educational video din. At kung gusto mo magkaroon ng mga copy ng ating mga activity sheets at yung mga memos or orders, pwede ka din mag-join sa aking FB page. Search mo lang Teacher Bean sa Facebook. So, ito yung mga ibang part ng ating SLM at yung mga guidelines para this year for quarter 3 and 4. So, magkakaroon nga tayo ng mga guidelines na dapat nating sundin para makaproduce tayo ng quality SLM. Although, alam naman natin na talagang minsan nagkakaroon ng problem in terms of our instructional devices and materials. Sometimes may mga errors at kailangan nating makorek yun para sa ating mga learners. So, ngayon, magkakaroon nga ng systematic way para mas ma-check mabuti, of course, yung ating mga materials. Na at this time nga medyo alam naman natin, hirap talaga ang pagturo at mahalaga talaga yung face-to-face than this type of modality. Pero of course, we do this for our children na makaproduce tayo ng quality education despite our situation at this time. So, dito yung ating first part. So, meron tayo dito, of course, papakita ko sa inyo yung procedure. Itong evaluation flowchart. So, ito yung unang part ng ating SLM. So, yung DepEd Central Office, magko-conduct sila ng evaluation process upon submission of our SLM. So, developed by pwedeng either private or public entities during the set of deadline. So, kapag yung submission beyond na the deadline, it shall not be accepted na and considered for evaluation. So, hindi na. So, nandito, meron tayo ditong table. Kung makikita ninyo, yung ating nagpapakita ng ating systematic evaluation process to be followed. So, nadyan nga, magkakaroon tayo ng announcement kailan ba papasa yung SLM, then yung submission, then evaluation. Dito na i-check yung mga requirements, yung mga criteria, standards, at yung content no ating ginawa. Of course. So, dito magkakaroon tayo dito malalaman kung yes ba or no. Yung part na to, kung i-return ba sa publisher kapag no. Pero pag ni-return, pwede pa siya for revision and for resubmission. So, mare-revise pa siya kung may mga kailangang i-correct, diba? Regarding on it sa ginawa. Then, pag yes naman, mag-i-issue na ang DepEd evaluation results. So, yun, ang ating Department of Education. So, ito yung ating flowchart kung makikita nyo. Yung flow nung SLM. Now, this is the first requirements of submission of SLMs. So, ito yung mga general requirements. So, sa general requirements, first, yung grade level warning areas of SLM to be accepted for evaluation. So, DepEd shall evaluate yung grade level and learning areas as announced for submission. Then, yung format. So, of course, dapat naka-PDF format yan. So, of the submitted meron siyang watermark, evaluation copy of DepEd. Makikita po natin yan. So, yon. Usually, meron siyang ganon para hindi makopy at no mark, logo, text, address, ISFBM, and name, consultant. And yung editor and or publisher must be seen on the part of the SLM to keep an LRE from identifying the person associated with this development. Then, yung copyright management. Of course, dapat alam natin yung mga rules regarding copyright. 'Di ba? Content. Of course, dapat meron tayong mga fina-follow dyan. 'Di ba? Dapat maiwasan natin yung copyright ng mga content nung ginagawa natin regarding this. So, yung dapat gagamit tayo ng original content is SLM submitted by the private and public entities. So, may rules tayo regarding that. So, makikita naman natin yan sa ating memorandum. Next is meron naman tayo ditong technical requirements of SLM. So, ito yung ating mga technical requirements kung makikita ninyo. So, dito, yung following technical requirements are needed for the submission of SLM. So, dito makikita natin. Ayan, kung makikita ninyo, meron tayong curriculum, elements, product, output, and outcomes. So, dito nga, sa part ng curriculum, it should be, yung instructional design niya, anchored with our MELC. Ayan. So, naka-anchor siya sa ating most essential learning competency. Pwede natin ma-download yan sa ating LRMDS portal. So, yan. Then, yung elements. So, yung elements natin, kung makikita nyo, ito yung mga dapat meron siya. Yung overview, nasa part naman yan ng mga nauna nating SLM, makikita nyo yan. Yung objective, pre-assessment, yung naka-anchor niya sa MELC, check yung learner's knowledge about the lesson, yung facilitate condition of learners, at yung concept development, ayan, activities. Makikita nyo. Then, formal assessment and application. Ito yung mga part na nung pinaka-modules. Diba? Kung saan pinaprocess natin yung natutunan nung learners. Yan. Then, we have product. So, sa product, of course, yung SLM are MELC-aligned, comprehensive, and self-directed. So, ito naman yung outcomes, continuous learners, and promote independent learners. So, dapat doon yung naglalaman ng instructional nila. Of course, madaling i-follow yung mga activities at magagawa nila independently. Diba? Okay, next for technical, we have yung physical attributes naman nung ating SLM. So, ayan, yung cover page. Dapat includes yung grade level, yung quarter number, diba? Yung learning area, yung module title. Lalagay lang natin dyan. Then, front matter pages. So, dito naman yung mga title page, copyright page, table of contents, then yung text. So, dapat readable and suitable for the target users. Mamaya, papakita ko yung format. Then, visuals and illustration. So, dito dapat appropriate to the place in the page and appropriate color kapag may mga concept na dito understand. And yun nga. So, meron dito. Yan. Sustain interest and do not distract yung attention ng learner. Yan. Then, ito yung format regarding dun sa size. Of course, sa text, yan. Pag grade 4, Arial, text 40 times your Roman, heads 18 to 28. Yan, makikita nyo. Then, for grade 5 to 10, ito rin. Yan, text type, 11 to 12. Yan, same din no text type. Yan, ito yung size niya. Kung makikita ninyo. Yan, subhead 11 to 13. So, ito naman yung medium of instruction to be used. So, depende yan sa grade level at kung anong subject. Pag Filipino ESP, Filipino gagamiting language, yan. English Science, Math, English lagi yun. MAPE, Filipino. Yan. MAPE, grade 6 to 10, English yan. And 4 to 10, API, Filipino. So, yan yung ating mode of instruction. Pwede po natin i-copy yan para hindi natin makalimutan. So, natin naman yung mga general criteria for the content evaluation. Yan yung ating SLM. So, dito, meron tayong content. So, sa content, dapat ensure natin sa target of MELCs per quarter are sufficiently covered. Dito, makikita yan. And then, yung organization are aligned and of course, yung ating mga tawag dito, texts are accurate, error-free, at include yung mga appropriate assessment para sa ating mga learners on their level at of course on the subject matter. So, yun, makikita natin doon. And next is language. Of course, dito, focus tayo sa ensuring our SLM are coherence of clarity, yung thoughts, then free from grammatical, diba? Spelling are correct, punctuation errors, and are consistent in style. Of course, be aware tayo sa gagamitin nating language. Alam naman natin yung ating mga estudyante, diba? We should use appropriate language that are, diba, related to the content and, diba, correct din, tama. And then yung layout, of course, yung design. Diba dito that physical attributes and yung format and visual are appropriate and well organized. So, yan yun. So, regarding that, pwedeng malaman natin pag advanced submission kung pass nga or pag nakakuha tayo ng 100% in terms of evaluation, that is pass. Kapag 61 to 99%, that is conditionally pass. And then, fail tayo kapag 60% below. Diba? Magkakaroon tayo ng criterion. Kasama doon sa DepEd order memo na to, meron doon naka-attach na mga gradings, 'di ba? Iba-ibang part 'yon na sasagutan sa pag-a-analyze nitong ating content na ginawa sa ating SLM. Makikita po natin 'yun doon. Meron tayong mga scoring rubrics and parts of criterion, 'di ba? Criteria in terms of analyzing and checking the different parts ng ating gagawing SLM for this quarter 3 and 4. So, that's all about our guidelines sa ating DepEd order of number 001 series 2021 about our self-learning modules quarter 3 and 4 for school year 2020 and 2021. So, ngayon po, sana natutunan natin kung ano-ano ba yung mga dapat nating malaman regarding this. Kasi pag pinagawa tayo, of course, alam na natin. May idea na tayo at ito yung order, DepEd order talaga na guide natin to make it work, 'di ba? Magawa natin successfully at mapadali yung paggawa natin na ang SLM. So, kung may tanong po tayo teachers sa video na ito, huwag po tayong mahiya. Type lang natin sa comment section at sasagutin ko po ang inyong mga questions. At kung gusto niyo itong video na to, please click the like button. So, maraming salamat. Till next time with Teacher Bean.